Hey, great friends, it's Rick. I'm back with another video. Today we are featuring products from Catherine Pooler that are brand new. Well, I'm mixing brand new with some I have. We're going to be using the brand new Gum Camping Stamp and Die Set, which currently you can get for free with a $50 order during the new release of the April products of Trail Mix. I believe it's the Trail Mix release. I'm also going to be using the Nested Stitches dies banners from my stash. And then I have a sample of the Trail Mix pattern paper we're going to use. I believe that's the name of it. I have it all linked and listed in the video description below. Plus, we're going to be using the brand new Gateway ink color that just came out. So we're going to use, I'll show you the pattern paper. I only have a sample, so I believe these are all the designs that are in the pack. And they're all single-sided. We're going to be using this pattern right here today for our quick and easy little scene card. So we're going to be using that. We're going to go ahead and work on our stamp imaged first. So in the Gateway stamp set, or Gum Camping stamp set, you have a beautiful little tent, the little banner for the little banner on the tent, a flower, a sentiment that says, "Let's get away," backpack, a lantern, and a log. So we are going to stamp our images out on some favorite white cardstock. I just got it in the other day to test out for projects. I've seen it. It's supposed to be really great for coloring. So we are going to be testing this out behind the scene for some of our projects. So we're going to go ahead and stamp out our tent first. And I'm going to stamp this in the new Gateway ink. And I do know that ink will dry back a little bit. All right, we're going to have a little lantern as well. So we'll go ahead and stamp that. And I'm going to stamp that in Mardi Gras ink. And stamp that twice. I have our little backpack as well. I'm going to stamp that in Samba, I'm sorry. And then we're going to have our little log as well. So I'm going to move this to the side where I can stamp that. And the color that goes with this is gingerbread. I don't have the gingerbread ink pad, so I'm going to stamp this in spiced. It's the closest I have, so we're going to use what we got. All right, I went and grabbed a small acrylic block so that I could do the banners. So I'm going to just stamp that in each of our little areas. I'm just going to stamp it in the open area of our little banner. And I'm going to have to stand up over this so I can see. It's going to stamp this one over on this side. I was trying to count out how many ink colors I pulled. And we did get off a little right there, but that's okay. It's handmade, not Hallmark. It will be okay. Come in with my next color, which is gingerbread. I'm sorry, which would be gingerbread, but I don't have that. I'm using spiced. I'm also going to add in Tiki Torch. It's another color that's in that I don't have, but it's in that same color family. So we're going to use it instead. It's just a little darker than the color from the pattern paper. We'll do Mardi Gras. All right, so there's our little tent. So I will set these to the side, let this ink dry for a little bit. That at the side. This is my card card front. It's 3 3/4 by 5. I'm going to take that little flower image and I'm going to stamp that in our background. I'm going to stamp that a couple places, turning it. We're going to start there. I want to see how that's going to look. We're going to go ahead and cut out our images with our coordinating dies and our banner as well. Got our tent die. So I'm going to line up my die and then I will cut that out. Just going to put some low tack tape down to hold that in place. We'll go ahead and cut out our backpack as well through this pass. So I crank that through. All right, we're going to go ahead and get our other dies, line those up where we can cut our other 2 images out as well. We're also going to cut out our little banner. All right, I'm going to get this over as far to the side as I can so that I can use this strip right there for the inside of our card. All right, now that I've got my banner cut out, I'm going to go ahead and kind of place that where I think I'm going to have it. I think we're going to turn it this way for our card today. So we're going to stamp a few more of our little flowers around since we now know where our banner is going to be. So we're going to pull in our ink. We're going to stamp a few more of our little flowers from our set around. Go off the page a little bit. So we're just going to keep filling this up a little. Do one right there. I think we need one right over that little corner right there. We're going to go ahead and layer up our little banner on here. We're just going to add liquid glue. We're going to put that right about there. We'll go ahead and add our tent. If you have not checked out the website, Catherine Pooler website, there are some great samples by her design team, her brand ambassadors. I would totally go check those out. These we're going to wait. We're going to sprinkle those around in just a little bit. So we're also going to add our sentiment. And I'm going to stamp that using a VersaFine Clear ink. Onto a little scrap of the favorite white cardstock. Let's try that one more time. Let's try to get it straight. How about that? So there is our sentiment we're going to use. We'll end up cutting that down. So we'll just take our snips. I can trim that off. I'm going to come right down the center there and make a little banner with my paper snips. We'll have that over there. Let's see, need some foam squares. We're going to pop up a few of our little images here. I'm going to add a foam square behind our little tree stump, and it's going to go right there. We'll have our lantern, or I mean our little backpack sitting next to our tent. I will pop up our little lantern as well. And we will set that right over. We're going to have it sitting on top of our little log right there. So there's our little camping scene. Now, before I layer this up, I do have a piece of 4 by 5 1/4 cardstock. I'm going to do some ink swapping to make a mat for my card. So we're going to use our Getaway ink. And I'm just going to swap right there. This goes with the Do-Si-Do family. It's a little bit darker. It's a red-orange. It's more of a, it's like a peachy red-orange, so it's good for that. They do have the new color wheel out, so if you want to grab that, you can do that. So there's our card base, our card front. Matte layer, I'll get it right in a second. We're going to add our focal panel onto our matte layer. So we just have that little bit of that Getaway showing from the back. I did cut a 8.5 standard A2 card base from the favorite white cardstock. So we will fold that in half. We will add this to our card. Now we'll pop that down. Then we have our sentiment. And we're going to have that right up here. So I will just add this to our card front. We're going to keep that super easy. We're just going to pop it right there along that edge. All right, we're going to take our little strip of pattern paper. We're going to add to the inside of our card so that we can finish that off. So I'm just going to run a bead of glue. I can pop that on. And then we will trim off the excess. All right, I have some Apollonia sequins. I don't know if these are still available. If they are, I'll link them. But we're going to add a few of our little yellow sequins around. And do 3. And 1 there. One over here. One up there. All right, my friends, there is a look at our card. There's a look at the inside. Here's a closer look if you want to catch that. Remember, the new Gateway ink is available today, and you can get the new Gum Camping Stamp and Die set with a minimum of a $50 order during the promotion. I have all that information linked and listed below, along with all the supplies I've used today. If you want to pick anything up, I'll see you over in the next video. Bye, guys. Stay crafty. Love you.